Okay, for day 4, they're talking about Jesus ascending into heaven. So for snack, they have cotton candy clouds and mansions of the many rooms. You take a divided plate and fill it with different treats. It can be marshmallows, fruit, cereal, or chips, which work great because you need lots of empty chip containers. For crafts, they're going to be making time warp time capsules, so you need the plastic Lay's chip containers. That's what the directions go for. You can use Pringles, but you need a different size piece of construction paper. For the Lay's, you're going to cut off the end. Make sure it's the long ways, otherwise it won't fit. If you're using a Pringles can, a whole piece of paper will wrap around and just leave a little bit of extra. But pre-prep, you're going to cut down your construction or your cardstock. Then the kids will tape it onto their chip container. Then they have a template of fun things to make their time capsule. They're going to put their name, when it's sealed on, and they're not supposed to open it for a couple of years. They'll put clock faces all over it, secret signs, keep out, and they're going to decorate the top too. And then they're going to be given a take-home paper telling them what to write. The younger kids will just be taping on a paper, decorating it with star stickers and crayons. For science that day, they're going to do the hand is quicker than the eye trick. Older kids can design their own using an index card. For younger kids, there's pre-printed templates they can cut out and color, and then makes a little trick of the eye. Also talking with Jesus ascended into heaven, they're going to make rocket balloons using string, a straw, and a balloon. We don't know how fast Jesus ascended into heaven, but we're going to make rocket balloons to remind us that he did. That's day 4.